Glory be to God for dapple things. Glory be to God for dapple things. For the pied beauty and wonderful colors He has added to our knowledge. Yes, so that is why the beautiful colors that God has given us in this world, we should praise Him for this beautiful world created by God. Yes, this colorful world is God's world and we are part of this world. We are taking up today the other color. Guess? Yes, your guesswork works. Blue color. We had taken up red, we had taken up yellow, we had taken up white and we had taken up green, and now we are taking up the fifth color, that is color blue. Yes, blue. The sky is blue, the ocean is blue, and we are living in this blue world under the shelter of the Blue King. Colors and colors. When we have lot of colors and we are talking of the colors importance in our life, I was so fond of the rainbow which I used to see in my childhood and used to wait for that rain to end, for that rainbow to be seen. And I would also prescribe one more thing to you here. Rainbow is a wonderful novel by D.H. Lawrence. I repeat, Rainbow is a wonderful novel by T.H. Lawrence. Please read it. You will understand the man-woman relationship. Those who are very fast readers, who are not, just read the synopsis for it. Rainbow tells that life is full of ups and downs. Rainbow tells us about the three generations women, that is Tom and Lydia, the first generation, William and Anna, the second generation, Anna and Ursula, the modern women, third generation. The 6 characters which see a rainbow in their life. What is rainbow? And the symbolic meaning of rainbow is all that you find here, which makes your rainbow. Now we are taking up the blue color for today. And I was just talking of what are the different applications of colors and different interpretations that colors have, that important roles that color play in your life, because I have just told you that it sways your thinking, it raises your blood pressure, soothes your eyes, it suppresses your appetite, it makes you somebody feel more comfortable with the things, more interpretations and different interpretations of color that you make, and you can use it and contribute it to global pollution. That is what colors can do for it. In this case, when we talk of the different colors, we had talked about that red is the most active color. Red color is the color which is more active color, furious color, more life it adds to. Green and blue color, that is green and blue color, is more of soothing, comforting, relaxing, balming, relaxing situation that it creates, is the blue color and green color. So there's a difference in the usage of blue and green, red and yellow. So since this is the situation and this is the part that we use in green, blue, red and yellow, is the same scenario that we follow. Now when we are taking up different colors, and today's colors, as we are taking up the blue color, blue. To feel blue, to become blue. This question has come in NLU Jodhpur. NLU Jodhpur has given this question of to become blue. This means to be very sad, very gloomy, very depressed, very melancholic. To be sad and gloomy about something or depressed about a situation is to feel blue or to become blue. It's in depression. You are melancholic. You are lugubrious. You are in a lachrymose state, you are dejected, you are gloomy, you are in low spirits. See the idioms. You are down in the mouth, or you are long-faced. Right, that means to feel blue or to be blue. Blue baby. Now, blue baby is a baby which is born. This is a very important idiom. Please check it. Can be repeated. You become blue means you become. I don't want you to become blue after your CLAT examination, because you have to come out in flying colors. Blue baby, or a baby which is born with slightly blue skin, usually because of some hearing related problem, the blue skinned baby, that is slightly blue skin, right? That is blue baby. Blue blood is used for a person who is belonging to royal family. A person who is belonging to royal family is blue blood. Blue blooded or blue blood, right? So it's a high social class, social status that person is, that is blue blood. Blue chip is any company or investment where there is a longer stock of things which is in the recording or earnings of the things, price stability is there in a very good condition. That means the company which is in a very valuable, very excellent, perfect condition, that would be blue chip, right? Next is the word here, blue-eyed. Blue-eyed is used in a very form, because green-eyed and red-eyed has already been done with you. So it's easy for you to remember now. Red-eyed is, yes, angry. Green-eyed is, that is jealous. And blue-eyed is simple word that I first give you, lucky, fortunate, one who gets everything ready-made. See, a father works hard and makes a house and he leaves it for his son, and the son gets the heir, it becomes the heir of his father's enormous property. So he is blue-eyed. The British English equivalent of US English, fair-haired boy, a boy who is particularly liked or treated well by someone, especially high authority. It's a derogatory sense. This is used for blue-eyed boy. Blue law, because I first linked with blue book. I do add one here. Blue book is the law book. Book of law, book of rules and things is called blue book. And blue law is a law that limits activities which are considered to be immoral, all those activities which are considered wrong by people, right? This is something which is banned, something which is illegitimate. Such as shopping or working on Sundays, you know, it's considered as Holy Week, Sabbath week, this week, that week, different types of, you know, conversations, different types of stories and versions are available for this. So this is considered as a book or a law in which you can't do any kind of immoral activities during this period, because it's considered a very holy period by people. So you can't even do your business and work in shopping, because especially like in Indians, like in Indian mythology, we have various kinds, Bhadwa month and this month, so the people worship God. It's a very holy month. It's a month of Sabbath. So they don't do anything, even they don't do shopping, even they don't do working on it. This is more on religious matter, and the months and things are different according to the religion and according to the versions available for it, right? Which you'll have to check with Hindus and the Christians and the Parsis and the Muslims and various other people who live all together in India. Then we have is blue ribbon. Blue ribbon is, or blue ribband, is used for the highest prize which is given in a competition or event. An event which gets the highest competition or highest prize, that is blue ribbon, right? True blue, very important idiom. True blue is a very loyal person. A person is known for his loyalty. You have heard of Chetak, who was true blue. Many of the patriots, India got freedom because of various patriots and true blue people. Very loyal, very people who are completely believable, very honest, upright people. That is true blue. Blue skies, happiness. All around you feel very happy. That is blue skies. It is a part and parcel of your happiness. You are in a lucky state. Right? You are in a lucky state. There's one idiom which is red, which is linked with this. That is paint the town red. Paint the town red, right? So when we use this, it becomes clear that you are using it in the sense of happiness. It's used for happiness. To be blue in the face is very expectorated. This is not a metaphor because it's used, you're very tired, you have just lost the color of your face. See the next one. If I do that, I just add it out of the blue or a bolt from the blue. Out of the blue or bolt from the blue is unexpected. You had not hoped of it. ऐसी कोई भी चीज़ जो आपने सोची नहीं हो, it's not even expected from you, that is a bolt from the blue, unexpected, not hoped. He, got he won a lottery which was like just a bolt from the blue. It was a very dry weather and it was like it rained heavily. It was a bolt from the blue. In western Rajasthan, it hardly rains, but because of the heavy rains, people felt it was a bolt from the blue. Once in a blue moon is very rarely. Please note the synonyms for the word: sporadic, occasionally, sometimes, not often. That is, he comes to meet his mother once in a blue moon. Not often, just rarely. It doesn't happen every day. That is called once in a blue moon. Something that does not happen regularly. That means irregular. We have another idiom for this: by fits and starts. I repeat, by fits and starts. To scream or shout blue murder. To scream or shout blue murder is to show one's annoyance. You are very angry with something, you show your anger for something, especially by shouting or complaining very loudly. You complain too loudly, scream too much, that will be blue murder. You know, sometimes nothing much has happened, but you complain a lot. That kind of screaming or shouting, various people have that habit of doing it. That is trivial little matters and they do that. That is also blue murder. Talk a blue streak is to talk quickly and without stopping, means more of garrulous person or a chatterbox. Right? You are very talkative by nature. The garrulous are usually not liked by people. The blues is sad songs. See, jaise we did the blue color, so it's the blue songs. Singing the blues is singing sad songs, so being very sad and melancholic about it. Blue balls is the pain in the testicles from the lack of ejaculations. And we turn to the last two of the blue color. Blue collar jobs. This is a very important idiom. Please take it. Blue collar jobs are jobs which are done when even physical work is there. More of, physical labor, like the laborers, swains, farmers do, because their collars become dirty. Their collars don't become dirty white, so it's more of table mental work, right? This is unskilled workers, physical work. And the last, to be between the devil and the deep blue sea. You have two choices. Both choices are unpleasant, inconvenient to you. Still you want to go for that. And that is called to be between the devil and the deep blue sea. It's also called Hobson's choice. Right? Hobson's choice. Right? So please, I hope you enjoyed the blue color. Give your feedback, like, and the subscription. Yes, and please, every time I want your preparation to go on in the full swing. Right, students? Thank you.